Well, this takes a little getting used to compared to my 23 CVO, the 121. Man, this sure is smooth. Do something a little different with the handlebars. I'm not a big fan of these at all. I got a new seat that will drop me down another inch or two. I just need to get that installed. So this is a 2004 Road King Custom. It's got just over 18,000 miles. And for the last 16 years, there's only 2,000 miles put on it. It's kind of nice just cruising without the big fairing on the front. Without the radio. This bike just sounds and feels amazing. So after I picked it up about 2 months ago, I took it right to my buddy Sideshow Cycles, and he drained all the fluids. At this point I hadn't even heard it start. I didn't know what the engine was or anything. So I had him change all the fluids, and I put new tires, new brakes, all new brake fluid, of course, new motor mounts, a new stator, because when he had it apart, he said that the stator looked a little burnt. So I figured since he already had it taken apart, it would be cheaper to do it then. So I did that. And then what else? Oh, I went from the leather saddlebags to hard saddlebags. You'll see, or you saw the video on that already. And then I've got the seat, I've got some LED headlights, and I guess they're called passenger lights or passing lights. I don't know what they're called. Those two little ones next to the headlight. So I've got all LED lights with those, and I'll do a video on that install. Just listen to that. Beautiful. I don't even know if this camera's still on. I could just be talking to myself. So I am on my way to Cactus Tap Room to buy some craft beer. I got a couple buddies, and each year we do a advent calendar of micro brews. We split up the days. We each get 8 days, so we go out and find our own little craft beers and stuff. And every day during Advent, during Christmas time, we Open a different beer every day. Now technically in Arizona I can split when we're at a stop sign like this, or stoplight. I'm just not a big fan of doing that. Now it might be a little different in the summer when it's 110. I am more of a fan of lane splitting than I am sitting on the asphalt when it feels like it's 160 degrees. It's green, let's go, people. So this is Sun City, Arizona. I think the minimum age is 55, which nowadays does not seem old. And mostly because I'm approaching that. I should have checked when Cactus Tap Room opens. I think it's 2 o'clock, which it's 2:40 right now. So we would be safe. But if it's 3, then I don't know. I'll find the 6-pack somewhere. Watch says it's 81 degrees out, and it feels absolutely amazing. Roll your horses. Alright, this is where we're at. And it looks like they're, well, maybe they're open. Oh yeah, they got a sign outside, so hold now. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. We're here in Sun City. Oh, she feels bad. Alright. I guess we'll go this way. It says now open. Would you look at that? So I'm going to go in, I'm going to buy a 6-pack, and I'm probably, as soon as I get lined up here, I'm probably going to go and have myself a beer. Neutral. Man, it goes into neutral easily. Alright, I'll see you guys when I'm done in there. Alright, that's it. I didn't have a beer, I just went in and grabbed a 4-pack of a local beer. you can see, we are about to re-enter Sun City. City of Volunteers. The original Sun City. Kind of take our lives into our own hands when we're riding through here. Hard to believe this bike is 20 years old. Man, that beer's getting all shook up in the saddlebag there, I'm sure. Yeah, like this bike is perfect for around town. I think on my long trips during the summer, I'll definitely be taking the big road glide. But yeah, this is comfortable. Easy to kind of whip around the corners and stuff. Pretty light. A little windier going south than it was just going north. I guess that's when you miss the fairing or the windshield on the front. I keep forgetting what gear I'm in. It doesn't have notification like the new bikes. Well, I'm going to sign off. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you